Let's see. Somebody wants me to meet them because they have merchandise. They got off a pallet and they want me to see if I'm interested. So I'm here. I'm approaching. Let's see what I find. I'm assuming eBay items. So I always make Amazon videos. So people might be a little bit happier that I'm finding eBay items. Let's see what I find.
There's these ones right here. There's like one more type, I think, the mercury glass one. One of these is open.
Yeah, I'm gonna be interested in those.
Okay, for sure.
Yeah, those are good. Those go for like $13.
Yeah, and then these ones for sure they're like $10 too, man. The
ball.
Yeah, they go on the end of the curtain rods, and they're
Where do you get your pallets from?
This one I got from a guy off of like Facebook Marketplace. He posted, and he was off of like way out. Almost off of Joe Battle, like before you get to the freeway.
You're selling the fans too?
Correct. And so for these specifically, they're identical, and this one's missing a part, and this one has a broken glass. So together they make one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's otherwise.
Okay, cool. Let me see. So I gotta scan some of this stuff too, huh?
Yeah, these ones are smaller too, man. They're the little clips for the.
So if I come up with stuff, you think about doing like one big deal?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay. Let's see. Let me get to scanning some stuff.
Okay, yeah, go for it, man.
Yeah. That's a cover. Mulching cover.
Yeah, just for the side of the.
Yeah. Like that, I'm gonna have to sell used. Because it's open, the box.
Okay. So let's say like $20 for that, but. Let me just do the math for the.
Yeah.
So these ones are like $10 each, essentially, right? Times 25.
Yeah.
That's
$10.
And then those are 27 each. Times 4 is like 108. And then that one, let's say it's just $20. And then.
All right.
3 times 0.4.
And then I have to pay fees with Amazon and.
I hear you, yeah, man. That's
so like that one will probably go on eBay.
Okay.
I mean, I don't have a receipt for Amazon.
Yeah.
But I'll probably still sell them on Amazon. I'm just taking a risk.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean? Like if they came at me with like a claim that I didn't like, where did you buy it from?
Oh. Yeah.
No, I'm just saying this for the YouTube video, you know, so people know. They're like, what are you doing that? Why are you doing that? You're not supposed to be doing that without a receipt. But I'm gonna take a risk. It's all good. Let's see.
It all comes out to like $150 for everything at a like 60% discount.
All right. Do you think you could do 65?
65. I could do 100. 100's flat. That'd be cool. Man.
$100 flat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you $100.
Okay.
Cool,
yeah,
man.
So hopefully you can sell all those.
You want to be in the video?
Yeah, that's alright, man.
All right. All right. I'm about to give him the cash.
Yeah, for sure.
$100?
$100, man.
All right. Yeah, and I could use the rest to take my grandma out to the casino. There you go, man.
Right on. Oops. I'll double check.
How much is it?
Probably your joke.
Yeah, let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Awesome.
Appreciate you.
Cool.
How much did you get the pallet for?
Altogether, each one was about $300.
$300?
Yeah, I got like 4 or 5 pallets.
All right. So you might see this guy in the future. He might sell you some merchandise.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
Right on, brother.
I'm gonna take off. So that actually went really well. He was a nice guy. He wanted $150 for everything, and I said 65, and he accepted 100. So it's all good. He got rid of some stuff he wanted to get rid of, and I'm gonna make a profit. The selling sniper sniping that profit, baby. So I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here, if I'm gonna keep putting footage, but let's go. $3.03 for gas. Damn, I just filled up for $3.49. I didn't fill up the full tank, but $3.03 at Sam's Club. Let's go inside. So I'm in Sam's Club, as you can see. And this is a product I sell. I know people don't like giving away their products, but me, I know I'll find if a bunch of people see my videos and come in and start buying the same stuff I buy, I'm always willing to learn something new and find a new product. So this isn't like if I can't sell this no more, then my life is over. So this is a good learning experience for YouTube. So I'll share this product. I have $91 on me. I can buy 40 something of these and I profit $4 a piece. And now that it's after October 16th, I believe, I could send in chocolate to Amazon. I could send in meltables, stuff that melts. Because now the temperature is not that hot and Amazon allows it from October till April, I think. You could send in chocolate or meltable items. So let me get to work. So I got my product all right here. So when I check Keepa.com, the one other seller has 12 in stock. So the price he has is $10.80 something, $10.81 or $10.89. Sorry. But if he sells out by the time my stuff gets there, I'll be the only seller. I could always up my price to 11 something and make a little bit more money. But if I sell for that price that one seller is at right now, that the buy box is at right now, I'll make around $190 profit off of what I just spent, which is going to be 90 something dollars or 89, or I don't know. We'll see. Forgot to mention, plus I get 2% cash back at Sam's Club. Well, I got confused because they were $208, but they were charging me $224 a piece. I was confused because there's no tax in Texas on groceries, and this is obviously a grocery item, and they still taxed me. And I don't have my Texas sales and use tax permit set up, which I should. I'm gonna do that. You set it up with Sam's or Walmart, and then every time you come in to buy, I guess you get a card or something, and then you're good. You don't pay no tax. I pay my taxes quarterly, so I don't need to be paying taxes on products I'm buying, because that's just chipping in out of the profits, you know. All right, so we got 3 of these. So yeah, this is going on eBay. It's just a cover for a mulching cover. Open box. It looks new, so we'll put new open box. We have one of those right there. We have 9 of these. We have 17 of these. So not too bad, guys, not too bad. Alright, so we have 36, 37, 38. I had 39, but my grandma wanted one of these. So we're left with 38. So I made it home. I want to thank all you guys that watch my videos, that have subscribed to me. Thank you for being here. It's very, very, very much appreciated by me. If you're new here, leave a comment below. Let me know you're new. And just thank you. Keep hustling. Make that money. I love my job, guys. I love what I do. If I could do this, other people can do this too. You guys can do this. And keep sniping those profits, guys.